Hi, in this video I will demonstrate few ways on how to draw a field shape on a map when adding a new property to the account. And how about we start with the field shape, which is a little more complex. How about this field here? Let's just zoom in. To outline this field, we could use this Polygon selection tool. Let's select it, and with that tool we will need to click each corner of the field until the entire field shape is surrounded or selected. That's one way. Let's delete it. We could also select this field by first drawing a rectangular shape across the entire field and then adjust the points to match the field shape. Like so. And notice we got the white dots, white points, and between the white dots there is a transparent dot, which if we click and drag on it will create a new point. So what we can do here, we can click and add new points until the field shape is completely selected. One benefit with this approach is we can zoom in if the field shape is more complex and we really want to precisely outline the field. We can zoom in closer and keep adding the points for each corner of the field. Notice the center mark. The center mark marks a location where the field label is going to go when you will be viewing the map, or if you will be printing the map. You can click and drag to reposition where the label is going to go, like so. So this is one way. Let's just delete it. If the field shape is simple, like for example this rectangular field, simply click on this rectangular selection tool, click and drag, and our field is selected or outlined. Let's delete it. If the field shape is circular like this one, you can use the circular tool. Outline the field, and in this case I'll move the center mark a little bit and pull in one point to exclude this triangle part, like so. Let's delete that one. If we would need to outline this half circle field, I would still draw a full circle and then delete this part of the field which doesn't belong to that field shape we want to outline. And you can delete a point by simply single clicking on it, like so. Just one click and that will delete the point. And reposition the label's location. And once the field is selected the way we want it, simply click on this plus button to add the property details. And here, please do make sure that the acreage matches the actual farmed acreage. It is very important that this acreage is accurate, because this acreage will be used to calculate yields, input cost, applied water, and in many more places. So it is very important that this acreage is accurate. That's all. Thanks.